Hi lovelies, come with me on my first train experience in Lagos. I was waiting patiently here to board the train. I got inside the train and the view was very impressive. Right here, I couldn't wait to feel myself. I was gonna take pictures, and I was like, oh, this is lovely, because everyone was giving should I say small London in Lagos, because I was amazed with the view, the metro, everything was so clean. The view was wowing. I could see Marina. I could see the whole of Lagos Island. And yes, this is my first voiceover. I hope you don't laugh over my voice, but I wanted to make this video for you to see how my experience was. And I think you should try it, because this is the fastest transport system right now in Lagos. Everyone knows that Lagos is full of traffic, so what other transport system should you be thinking of? Okay, I'm not trying to promote this this transport system, but this experience was amazing. I wasn't expecting the whole ambience, I like aesthetics, so the metro was really, this is a new metro, so everywhere is clean, it's giving, it's everything, I don't know what else to say. You have to come and experience this for yourself. So far, the only bad experience I had was while exiting the train, I was filming myself, and this lady who works at the metro started yelling and saying, stop filming, and I stopped filming immediately. But I told her you don't have to be loud like that, because I'm only trying to promote this transport system. A lot of people don't even know where to board the train in Lagos, and if a lot of people can board the metro, there's going to be a reduced traffic in Lagos, and this is going to help create awareness, because a lot of people don't even know about the metro. Anyways, I'm not trying to be boring, but that was my experience so far. I don't know if you can pay attention, you're going to hear much. And this is me living. I had a nice experience so far. Yeah, you guys are beautiful. Yo. So yes, I'm trying to pose for pictures, I don't know, it's okay, nice.